It's like a lot of people around me will tend to tell me that I am selling myself short, but then at the same time, I'm like, a lot of people around me thought that my webcam and my webcam microphone were fine for this stream. And, what I have now is much, much better. Which isn't to say that, it's not to say that they are wrong either, but I have my own vision and I pursue it, I guess, in spite of what others say, much of the time. I guess it comes from, like, I've experienced a lot of moments in my life where others imposed their own sense of limitation upon me. And fortunately, I chose to persist in spite of that. I guess also, like, kind of comes from the rebellious period of, like, I had parents who very adamantly were reminding me of what I could not do all the time. What I could not do and what I should do. That was the message. Fortunately, I figured out pretty young that they were incorrect. If I had not figured that out for myself, I probably wouldn't be here, to be frank.